Hi, Ben here for Benz Softwash, and in this short little video we're going to discuss the unique process of soft washing artificial or man-made roof slates, and we're going to discuss the ins and outs of it, how it's done and what to expect when soft washing a roof like this. So this video is for both customers of ours, the contractors, and also for the end customer. If you're having your house soft washed, you may want to have a look at this video before it's done so you can know exactly what to expect and know exactly how the process is working. So what can happen with these man-made slates is that the original coating can fail or partially fail, and then you have a biofilm of algae, lichen and other growths grows on top of it, so you will not see it, and from a distance and from the untrained eye the roof may still look like it's got a full coating on it. What happens then is that you soft wash it or you clean it, you wash off the biofilm and you expose the condition of the slate underneath, and that is where there can be a bit of confusion around what to expect. Here we have a test patch. We test patched this actually with Lightning Cleanze to give us some pretty near instant results, so the customer can see exactly what the condition of his roof slates are like, and so that he knows when we soft wash the rest of this roof there is going to be some patchiness around. It's nothing to do with the process, it's just the uncovering of the actual condition of the roof coating. Really is quite normal, and it happens over time through natural weathering, wind and rain. Quite normal and to be expected. So to the untrained eye, from a distance, this roof may well look like it's got a nice black coating, but it's actually the black algae, mold, lichen and other growths actually growing on top, which is giving that colour. And when you soft wash the roof, that process washes all that off and it exposes the actual condition of the slates underneath. The actual slates are mechanically sound. They'll last for another decades of use. They're not curling up or anything like that. They've just lost the aesthetic. There is a cure to this, and you can, after treatment, they can be repainted. That's down to other contractors. Point here is that we are cleaning the roof mainly to keep it clean of the organic biofilm, which can hold water, and if it lets get too bad, heavy growths can start lifting slates and can cause water egress. One thing we like to recommend to our contractors is that they carry out a test patch to their customers. So we used Lightning Cleanze on the test patch because it gave faster instant clean. The customer was able to get an idea of how the roof was going to look, because as you can see, it's cleaned off all the biofilm and you can now see the pitting in the coating which was underneath the biofilm. We don't use Lightning Cleanze on the whole roof because Bio Cleanze is a far better biocide for treating the roof and getting into all the nooks and crannies and into and up these laps. The process it does that by is through creep and capillary action, because it's actually lighter than water, whereas Lightning Cleanze is heavier than water. Therefore, Bio Cleanze really is the best product to ensure a full treatment of the roof. Prepare this roof for treatment. We're going to brush down any heavy growths using a nylon scraper and a polypropylene brush that's attached to a telescopic pole, and we brush all of that down into the gutters, hoover out the gutters, and it is then ready for treatment. Treatment is achieved, soft wash brush, telescopic pole, and we pump up the solution through it and brush it on. We'll be using Bio Cleanze at a dilution of 30:1 for this roof. The actual treatment of the roof is actually complete within about 30 minutes to an hour. The cleaning process then starts, and it starts nearly immediately. You will see, it depends on the ambient temperature, you will see difference in colour, especially on some of this light green, quite quickly. The same day on a warm day, or 3 or 4 days of colder temperatures. Then you will see gradual continued improvement of the clean over the next 7 months to a year for it to be fully clean. So there we go. I hope this video provides clarity about this process of soft washing man-made slates. Hope it's useful to you, your customers. Yeah, happy soft washing.